the problem of insufficient fuel supply to meet the current demand. At the same time, the government has also stopped freezing fuel prices. This is causing issues for certain product categories that are now likely to see their prices increase. Will there be a need to consider additional measures to help manage the rising cost of living? We'll explore this further in Economic Signals with Nikamon Lohakajonpan.
The recent development necessitates a review to add more items to the controlled goods list at today's meeting of the Central Committee on Goods and Services Prices. Ho ga hati chim fast. The Goods and Services Price Act currently lists 59 controlled items as determined by the GPP committee, while 3 essential daily items such as toilet paper, soap, shampoo, and laundry detergent. Previously, companies only had to inform about price adjustments, but now they must seek permission before any price increase. They are also considering adding more controlled goods to the list, for example, bottled drinking water. Regarding plastics and agricultural food products, in order to manage their prices and prevent them from becoming scarce, this has caused the total number of controlled goods to increase to 71 items. However, even before these controls were implemented, for instance, plastic bags had already seen their price rise to 10 baht per pack. At the same time, for some other items, traders have already begun to signal further price increases as well.
Most of the items are still being sold at their previous prices this month. It's expected that by next month, they will likely return to their standard prices. However, a few specific products did experience a minor price adjustment. Things like soaps for the most part. Soaps, toothpaste, and similar household items.
Plastic pellets are among the items proposed to be designated as controlled goods because they represent a significant cost for packaging and various products in the market. However, packaging manufacturers report that the cost of plastic pellets has already doubled, which means packaging prices are now likely to increase by 20 to 30%. Even though we are currently still utilizing our existing stock until May, any new orders placed from that point onward will likely require a price adjustment due to the significantly higher cost of goods.
Regarding our own situation, we are facing quite a significant shortage. However, we still possess some available stock. We are actively trying to procure what are known as plastic pellets to serve as a replacement from other countries. But the most important thing is that the price has gone up, and it's gone up quite a lot. You see, previously we had estimated that the price of plastic pellets would probably increase by around 30%. However, just recently, late last week, some of our suppliers started to gradually offer plastic pellets to us, and the price has gone up by approximately double, a full 100%.
But before these control measures are implemented, prices of many goods have already gradually increased. This is evident from the information consumers have shared on social media regarding the rising prices of goods across various categories. Ms. Pimpimon Kuljirachata, we still need to closely follow the results of the JCC meeting this evening to see if what are all the necessary preparations and key considerations that must be thoroughly addressed and finalized before these matters can be formally introduced and presented for discussion at the upcoming cabinet meeting scheduled for next week. Thank you.